Hello, this is Randall. I'm going to be picking a number 140 master lock. I'm using tap the keyway, and I'm going to use a hook. This is a kit that I purchased from Banggood. It's an 81 piece. And this picks only one direction. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Take a sip of tea. And there is the key. Okay. Now we will try it from the left side. Oh. And there we go. Okay. Aside from losing the tension wrench once, I've now picked it from the left and the right side using tap of the keyway with my hook. And we'll try to get this, see if that shows up a little better. All right. And that is the Master Lock 140. Picked from the left and from the right. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.